Fellas, are you tired of your skin ruining your look? Believe it or not, your skin could be holding you back from looking your best. But here's the good news. You're just a few simple steps away from solving these problems forever. In today's video, I'm breaking down 10 common skin issues that are silently destroying your attractiveness and showing you how to fix them once and for all. Welcome back to Man Glow Up, the ultimate guide to transforming your appearance, building confidence, and becoming the best version of yourself. Today, I'm going to show you how to tackle the top 10 skin issues that have been holding you back from looking your absolute best. Whether you've been dealing with these issues for years or you've just started noticing them, I'm giving you the solutions that work. No fluff, just real answers. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and become part of our growing community. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix your skin issues, so stick around. You won't want to miss the last tip, which is a game changer. Stop excessive sweating. Excessive sweating, known as hyperhidrosis, can not only affect your appearance, but also your confidence. It can be triggered by anxiety, heat, or even just your body's overreactive sweat glands. Fortunately, controlling it is easier than you think. Here's a more detailed plan to keep sweat in check. Upgrade to clinical strength antiperspirants. These are stronger than regular deodorant and contain higher concentrations of active ingredients like aluminum chloride. These help block sweat glands and reduce sweating significantly. You can find these in most pharmacies, and they are more effective than regular deodorants. Apply antiperspirant at night. Your body temperature is lower at night, which means the antiperspirant can form a stronger barrier on your skin. When applied at night, it allows the product to penetrate more deeply, blocking the sweat glands more effectively for the day ahead. Reduce stress-inducing foods and drinks. Stress is a major factor that increases sweating, and certain foods can contribute to this. Avoid consuming excessive caffeine, alcohol, or spicy foods. These stimulate your nervous system, raising cortisol levels and leading to more sweat. Instead, opt for cooling, hydrating foods like cucumbers, leafy greens, and fruits rich in water. If you find that excessive sweating happens more during social situations or under stress, practice calming breathing exercises. A slow, deep breath can help reduce stress and keep you cool under pressure. Shrink. Large pores. Large pores can be stubborn, but with the right approach, you can minimize their appearance significantly. Let's take an in-depth look at how to tighten and shrink your pores. Incorporate salicylic acid. Daily salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid that exfoliates the skin and deeply cleanses the pores. It removes dead skin cells and penetrates oil-filled pores, keeping them clean and tight. This not only reduces the appearance of pores, but also prevents them from enlarging due to oil and dirt buildup. Steam your face regularly before applying salicylic acid. Steam your face to open the pores. This allows the salicylic acid to penetrate deeper, working more effectively to shrink them. Follow up with cold water or a toner after cleansing. Rinse with cold water to close the pores, or use a toner with witch hazel or rose water, which are known to reduce inflammation and tighten skin. Consistency is key. Using salicylic acid once won't make a difference, but integrating it into your daily routine will. Make sure to moisturize afterward to prevent drying out your skin. Eliminate whiteheads with 3 key ingredients. Whiteheads can be frustrating, especially when they keep coming back. To eliminate them permanently, you need to integrate a multi-step approach using 3 powerful ingredients. Benzoyl peroxide. This ingredient is a powerhouse for acne-prone skin. It works by killing the bacteria that cause whiteheads and by exfoliating the top layer of skin. Apply it to areas with whiteheads and leave it overnight for the best results. Retinoids increase skin cell turnover, meaning your skin sheds dead cells faster, preventing them from clogging pores and forming whiteheads. Using a retinoid cream at night will help keep your skin clear and smooth. Make sure to introduce these ingredients slowly to avoid irritation. Start with once every other day and gradually increase the frequency as your skin builds tolerance. Remove blackheads with the right tool. Blackheads are one of the most stubborn skin issues because they're deeply embedded in your pores. Trying to squeeze them out with your fingers only causes more damage to your skin, but there's a simple and effective solution. Using a comedone extractor. Here's how to use it correctly. Steam your face first. Always start by steaming your face for 5-10 minutes. This will soften the blackheads and make them easier to extract. Use gentle pressure, place the loop of the extractor over the blackhead and apply gentle pressure. If the blackhead doesn't pop out easily, don't force it. This could lead to scarring or irritation. Disinfect the area after extraction. Cleanse the area with an antibacterial solution or toner to prevent infection. Use a Cumdone extractor once or twice a week to avoid over-irritating your skin. Always sanitize the tool before and after use to keep it clean. Calm rosacea by avoiding triggers. Rosacea is a common but often misunderstood condition. It's a chronic skin condition that causes redness, flushing, and sometimes small, pus-filled bumps. The key to managing rosacea is identifying and avoiding triggers. Identify your triggers. Common triggers include heat, stress, spicy foods, alcohol, and even hot beverages. Keep a journal of what you consume and how your skin reacts. This will help you figure out your specific triggers. Use gentle products. When treating rosacea, opt for fragrance-free, non-irritating skincare products. Harsh chemicals and strong exfoliants can worsen the condition, so look for products labeled as for sensitive skin. Consider niacinamide. This powerful antioxidant is known to reduce inflammation and calm redness. Incorporate a niacinamide serum into your routine to soothe your skin and reduce flare-ups. Rosacea often gets worse with sun exposure, so be sure to wear sunscreen every day, even during the winter months. Prevent ingrown hairs with these shaving techniques. Ingrown hairs are often the result of improper shaving techniques. Let's dive deeper into the best practices for preventing them. Exfoliate before shaving. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells that can clog hair follicles and cause ingrown hairs. Use a gentle scrub before you shave to prepare your skin. Use single blade razors. The more blades your razor has, the more likely it is to cause irritation and ingrown hairs. A single blade razor is gentler on the skin and reduces the risk of cuts and ingrown hairs. Shave in the direction of hair growth. Always shave in the direction your hair grows to avoid pushing hair back into the follicle. Apply a cold compress after shaving. This reduces inflammation and calms the skin after shaving, further preventing irritation. If you're prone to ingrown hairs, consider using an electric trimmer for a close shave without the risk of irritation. Prevent wrinkles with daily sunscreen. Wrinkles are a natural part of aging, but you can delay their appearance with the right routine. Let's take it up a notch. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Sun damage is the #1 cause of premature aging, so using a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 daily is essential. Apply it even when you're indoors, as UV rays can penetrate through windows. Use antioxidant-rich serums. In addition to sunscreen, use serums with antioxidants like vitamin C or E. These fight free radicals that cause skin damage and wrinkles. Retinol at night. Retinol is a vitamin A derivative that boosts collagen production and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Apply a retinol-based cream every night to keep your skin firm and youthful. When applying sunscreen, don't forget your neck and hands. These areas are often exposed to the sun and can age just as quickly as your face. Combat oily skin in seconds. Oily skin can make your face look greasy and unkempt, but with the right approach, it's easy to manage. Blotting papers are your best friend. Keep blotting papers or tissues on hand throughout the day. These quickly absorb oil without removing or drying out your skin. Use a clay mask weekly. Clay masks help to draw out excess oil and purify your skin. Use a clay mask once or twice a week to control oil production. If you're out of blotting papers, a single sheet of toilet paper works just as well in a pinch. Just press it lightly against your skin to absorb the oil. Hydrate dry skin with slugging. Dry skin doesn't just look dull, it can feel rough and uncomfortable too. One of the most effective solutions is slugging. This skincare technique is all about locking in moisture and creating a barrier to keep your skin hydrated. Here's how to do it. Start with a clean base before you begin. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Pat it dry, but leave it slightly damp. This will help your skin absorb moisture better. Apply a moisturizer. Next, use a thick, hydrating moisturizer to give your skin the moisture it craves. Seal with Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline or petroleum jelly over your entire face. This step locks in the moisture and prevents water from evaporating overnight. Slugging is especially effective in winter or for anyone with extremely dry skin. Use it once or twice a week for glowing, deeply hydrated skin. Get rid of cold sores fast. Cold sores can be uncomfortable and embarrassing, but here's how to speed up their healing and prevent them from coming back. Protect your lips with SPF. Sun exposure can trigger cold sores, so apply a lip balm with SPF to protect your lips from harmful UV rays. Take lysine supplements. Lysine is an amino acid that helps prevent the replication of the herpes virus, which causes cold sores. Take 1,000 to 2,000 ml of lysine daily to reduce both the severity and frequency of cold sores. Start taking lysine as soon as you feel that first tingle of a cold sore forming. It can prevent it from getting worse. There you have it. 10 easy solutions to the most common skin problems that could be holding you back from looking your best. Follow these steps and you'll start seeing results in no time. Make sure to subscribe to Man Glow Up for more tips on style, grooming, and becoming the best version of yourself. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs a skincare glow up.